YouTube, what's happening, y'all? Ken folk, it's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy. Weezy baby, please say the baby, aka your favorite country cousin. I know that sounded like real proper just now, but your favorite country cousin. Back with another video today, man. Appreciate everybody for coming through. I'm not with your boy, man. You know, y'all know how I do already, man. Now you guys see the title, you guys see the thumbnail, and y'all see my baseball jersey, my hat. There's a Carolina thing going on, Carolina boy. Hey man, I'm like a Wright brother, you feel me? I'm fly. So y'all know the Wright brothers invented the airplane, so we fly. If it went over your head, just let it go over your head, man. But yes, I am here to show you guys the 2024 version of the Columbia Blue. I'm always gonna call these the Columbias. Everybody call them Legend Blue, but I'm gonna call them Columbia, man. Now, without further ado, before I get started, what I need for y'all to do is to smash that subscribe button for your boy and ring that notification bell, because your boy's on the road to 5K. So I need all y'all to hit that subscribe button. It don't cost y'all nothing. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Help a brother out, you feel me? But without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox these sneakers. Hey, so we got the box. Now these actually came from Hibbett's. I just love Hibbett's, man. Hibbett's be showing me love, and you know they were still sitting online, but I think they sold out right now, man. But I don't know, man. This sneaker's sitting. Like, this sneaker is really sitting, y'all. Dang, and I really can't believe that this sneaker did not sell out. You know, it's the holidays. I think we had a weird time of sneakers. Well, I ain't gonna say a weird time, but it's like a different time when it comes to sneakers now, man. All right, so let me go ahead and open this for y'all. All right, and here we have it. We have our Air Jordan box. I want to say 7s, 8s, 9s, and 10s come in this box. 11s, and yeah, I think that's it. I know the 12s come in the orange and black Nike box now, or yeah, the Nike box. But I'm gonna read the label to y'all. So the label reads, Air Jordan 11 Retro, color is white, Legend Blue black. This is a size 12. Was not hard to get at all. And y'all know I love Carolina Blue. Let that thing focus for y'all, man. So let's drop the top on this. Peel our lid back. I wish they would have came with the slide out box, man. We paying $240 something for them. Jordan brand Nike. We paying $240, $250. Hey, I'm gonna need that slide out box, you feel me? All right, so we got our paper and whew, me definitely like them. They like, come make me wanna come home. Carolina Blue, fresh off the scene. All right, so I'm gonna let y'all see the inside of the box, just to let y'all know these are legit. All right, so we got that green sticker in there. Ain't no stamp or nothing on the box. We do got a little lot number though. We got our lot number right there. I don't know if y'all can see it. There it is right there. So let's talk about these shoes, man. I wanna know how y'all feeling about these, man. These Legend Blue things. Oh man, somebody gotta take, oh no, that's me. I was about to say, come on here. Let me slide up and show y'all these things right here. Ooh. Clean. Mr. Clean. I need to turn my brightness down. Right quick.
Eventually.
Alright, so yeah, man, here we go. We got the Legend Blue Air Jordan 11s. Like I said, I'm gonna always call these the Columbias, because that's what I grew up knowing them as. Know these as the Columbias. But quick details about this sneaker. So these originally released in 1996. Michael Jordan wore these in the 1996 All-Star game, you know. And these are actually true to the OG pairs. Now this is like the 4th time these are retro. I'm not gonna count the lows. I never count the lows as a retro, and I'm basically just going off the top of my head. But like I said, these came out in 96. I think it was 2001 they first retro, and then 2014, which I do have my 2014 pair, and I'm gonna show y'all them later on. 2014 pair, and then the 2024 pair. 10 years in the making since I last had these. Now I should do a quick video on those. I'm gonna show y'all. I ain't gonna do a quick video on them, man, but I'm gonna tell y'all the story about them once I get to them. But yes, details. So we got our Carolina blue, or our North Carolina blue translucent outsole. I do like this. I do like this outsole. I ain't even gonna sit here and hold y'all. All right, and then we do have a higher cut patent leather going up onto the upper. Like that high cut patent leather. I like the high cut patent leather, and I'm sitting here looking at my 2014 pair, and yeah, the high cut patent leather is just much better. All right, now heading up, we do have our rope lacing system. We got our rope laces, and on the tongue, we do have our Jumpman Jordan in that Carolina blue, that Columbia blue, or Legend blue as they calling it now. I really don't like the Legend blue name. Legend blue just sounds so corny to me. So come on, Jordan brand. All right, now heading up some more, we do have our Jumpman, which is facing the right way this time around. On the 2014, it's facing the opposite way towards the stitch 23 on the back. So, yeah, man. Now, like I said, I want to do a comparison video. I'm gonna let y'all see my 2014 pair. My 2014 pair has been beat to HE double hockey sticks. It's been beat to hell. And the crazy thing, man, when I moved from Fayetteville to Charlotte, I thought I lost these shoes, but they were sitting in my trunk. They sat in my trunk for about a year. I didn't find these until a year after I had moved to Charlotte, which is crazy. And like I said, look at the outsole. The outsole is just yellow. Like the lacing system is just, everything is turning yellow. Like, and that was one of the reasons why I was kind of hesitant on getting these, because they're all white. Like, it's hard. It's hard to keep clean. Now I'm probably just gonna end up coaching in these. I ain't even gonna sit here and hold y'all. I'll coach in these, but these right here, I'll probably try to get them restored at least a little bit. Like just bring the blue back out of them. And these really need a deep clean, to be real with you. So I don't know. Yeah, these will probably just be some hooping sneakers now, man. Because I done mucked these up. I wish I could say the F word, but I done F these up, man, for real. But yes, the comparison, you guys can see the high cut patent leather, and I really, like I said, I like the high cut patent leather better on these, man. I just let these go to sugar honey iced tea. That's all I did, and I regret it. But like I said, I lost it. I thought I lost it. You know, they sat in my trunk for a year, and they fit a little tight. So I don't know if them sitting in the trunk made them shrink or whatnot. But like I said, I do want to get these restored. If I get these restored, I'll just hoop in them, man. But yes, I'm gonna give y'all some quick B-roll, just to let y'all get an up close look at them, and then we're gonna hop back and I'm gonna end this video for y'all. Appreciate y'all for coming through and rocking out with your boy, as always, introducing the Legend Blues, aka the Columbia Blue, Legend Blue, whatever you want to call it. The Jordan 11s. Y'all let me know in the comment section below, did you pick these up? Because I think these were a hit, but they're still sitting. And speaking of, like I said earlier, with the other 2014 release, Like Jordan Brand, since we paying $250, $240, damn, my doggone name that disappeared all that. I can't believe these 10 years old, dog. I really can't believe it. I forgot how to open these up. Yeah, man, can we get some slide out boxes with the 11s? Like, we got the Gammas coming back out next year. Can we get some more accessories? Like, we want some more stuff like this, JB. Come on, Jordan Brand. Especially with the 11s being quick strike now. Like, y'all getting $250 a sneaker, bro. Y'all making a killing, man. So Jordan Brand, we need this box back next year. We need these boxes back with the Gammas, man. You feel me? But anyway, like I was saying, man, appreciate y'all for coming out, rocking with your boy. As always, y'all make sure y'all sub up to the channel and follow me on other platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, X, formerly known as Twitter, and Facebook. Man, I'm always on those platforms talking about sneakers. So yeah, man, I love a friendly conversation. I ain't a bad guy like everybody think I am. A lot of people down here think I'm a bad person, but it's all good. F what they think, like Stone Cold say, man. But anyway, appreciate y'all for coming out, rocking out with your boys, me, your friendly neighborhood sneaker man. Hope all y'all take care. Happy holidays. Y'all know how I get out of here. Love, peace. All this beef, throw some chicken grease on that thing. I'm out of here.